Okay, all right. Make ready. Are you ready? Stand by. Unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear. 907.
That is Purdy right there.
And that's Purdy. You should get a selfie with that one. See? Oh yeah. Okay.
The one down here in the middle is the same way. That's
Nice.
closer.
That poor no shoot though.
That Charlie Alpha no shoot though.
This is C?
Yeah.
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 That one's good.
It's cool, huh?
This
They
one.
are both good. Yeah.
Are you ready?
I've had this.
Yes.
Stand by.
So that was your first shot. That was your second.
Yeah.
You're in there somewhere,
Yeah.
and you're in there.
The second one is here because I
Okay.
shoot upward.
Good job.
Yeah. That was a hit. That was a hit because I saw it move.
And 6.
Yep. Okay. So you'll push that. And then pull this back. And then release. Let it go.
That's it?
That's it.
Cool.
Very nice.
That's fun.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Ah,
One more.
that's how you do it.
Come on! I feel good. No?
Breathe out and squeeze. Like you're putting in a contact lens. Hey, John. It's empty. So on the triangles, move in front of the triangle you're shooting. So shoot the one that's directly in front of you. Now move to the left or right to the one. Yeah. Move towards me. Stand here. Stand here. Now shoot it. More bullets.
Oh, come on.
Gentle squeeze. There you go.
No.
Yes. Unload and show clear. Good. Put it down. The Texas Star. Nice.
There you go.
Good job. So you can shoot the other one until it stops moving. There you go. Woo! More bullets.
Come on.
Nice. Good job.